Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Today, we're going to talk about the places where we live. We're going to talk about the parts of the house. There are many types of houses.
Some houses are big. Some houses are small. Some people live in traditional houses. Some people live in crazy houses. Some people live in houses with one floor. Some people live in houses with 2 floors. Some houses have more than 2 floors. Some people live in apartments. This building has many apartments.
Most houses have some things in common.
They have a hall where you go in the house. Houses have a kitchen where you prepare the food. Houses have a bathroom. You know what to do there. Houses have a bedroom where we sleep. Houses have a living room to receive family and friends. Houses have a dining room to sit down and eat.
Some houses have other areas.
Some houses have a garage to store things and keep the car. Some houses have a home office where we can work and study. Some houses have a family room for boys and girls, moms and dads to play and watch TV. Some houses have a yard to be outside, have barbecues, and play with pets. Some houses have a balcony. Some houses have a terrace.
Now, where do you live? What are the parts of your house? See ya!